Well, good afternoon, Arkansas, and a very happy Thursday to everybody out there around the state. Well, if you haven't noticed, fall is here across the state. It was cloudy, it was blustery, it was a little bit on the rainy side today, especially for folks in central and northern Arkansas. And we still have rain this evening across the state. Now, as you can see, rain is mostly confined to areas from Mena to Pine Bluff North. Again, that is mostly around the backside of our low that is continuing to push off towards the north and northeast. And that low will begin to gradually move out as we head throughout the night and into the day on your Friday. But we have to get through at least one more round of showers overnight, and then into at least the early morning hours on Friday for some. But for the most part, a very chilly, a very fall-like day across the state with temperatures will be low average for this time of year, but it could be colder as we head into next week. I'll go over that in just a minute. Overall, though, a very nice day around the state. Currently seeing temperatures in the 40s and 50s around the state. Again, not terribly cold, but definitely a chill in the air compared to what we normally see this time of year. Again, coming in at 54 in the metro, 52 in Mena, and then of course 57 down in Camden at this hour. Overall, though, it's going to be a very nice next few days. But as we head into next week, we have to watch for a cold front coming down. That front is actually going to stall across the state, and that's going to lead for another round of rainfall across the state. A widespread area of 1 to 2 inches of rain, with a general half to 1 inch in northeastern and southeast Arkansas. Of course, this is for late Monday through Wednesday into Thursday, so this definitely will change as we get closer, and of course we will update this as we go. So for the most part, expect rainfall to return to the state as we head into next week. But overall, though, as I mentioned earlier, it will be a chilly night with those showers clearing Friday morning. We'll see gradual clearing as we head into the afternoon Friday. It may be a little bit slower, as we know time and time again. We do see those clouds tend to hang around with cold air advection across the state. So again, a very slow clearing. But as we head into Friday night and Saturday and Sunday, a very nice weekend coming up. If you like warm weather, this is going to be your weekend, because things change drastically as we head into next week. An unsettled pattern does look to affect the state as we head into next week, especially in the Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday time slot. But we're going to have to watch those higher elevations of North Arkansas. And the reason why I say that, there has been some indication. I kind of talked about this a little bit earlier last week, kind of mentioned it here and there, but there's a chance, a very small chance, but a chance that we could see some rain showers mixing with a few sleet pellets or snowflakes across the higher elevation on Wednesday morning before changing back over to all rain. Again, it's very early in the data set, so we have plenty of time to watch, but that potential is there on Wednesday morning, with temperatures hovering around those low to mid 30s across the northern parts of the state. Now, as we head into the latter half of next week, again, well below average temperatures will be the norm. Quite cold across the state, more reminiscent of late December, early January than the 1st of November. But on average, it's going to be right around our first frost and freeze. Frost and freeze does look like a good bet as we head into next week for much of the state. Would not be surprised to see a statewide end to the growing season as we head into next weekend across the state. So, now that we've gone over that, let's get into your forecast outlook. Now, Friday across the north is going to be cold. Highs in the 40s to around 50. Those wind chills once again in the 30s and 40s across the northern parts of the state. Again, as we head into Saturday and Sunday, it's going to be a lot nicer across the state with the highs in the 50s and 60s and the lows in the 40s. Now, as we head into next week, all eyes are on the Wednesday time frame. I have mentioned for forecast uncertainty there. There is plenty of it, but again, I would still expect to see higher elevations, see at least a small chance of a mix on Wednesday morning, transitioning into rain on Wednesday afternoon. Again, highly dependent upon our temperatures and the amount of moisture in place. Moisture looks to be plentiful. The question now is, how cold do we get on Tuesday night? Now, as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, again, the rain starts to move out, but cold air does remain in place. And then Thursday night, we start to clear out, and those temperatures plummet down into the 20s across the north. So hard freeze does look likely as we head towards the end of next week. Now, for our folks in Central Arkansas, it's not going to be near as impressive in terms if you want winter weather, but if you want cold weather and fall weather, we have plenty of that. Again, tomorrow our rain chances start to go away, and we'll see those clouds gradually start to go away as we head towards our late afternoon hours, but not enough to prevent us from only staying in the 50s in the afternoon. Now, as we head into Saturday and Sunday, warm up nicely, mid to upper 60s. But, as I mentioned, as we head into next week, a cold front comes in on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We will see those temperatures that will come back down into the 40s and 50s once again, with rainfall likely, especially on Wednesday. It's going to be one of those raw days across the state on Wednesday. And then, of course, as we head into Thursday, we'll be watching for at least a small chance of a patchy frost as we head towards Thursday night. Maybe a freeze as well, especially across parts of our western counties here. Now, as we head into southern Arkansas, we will see those temperatures again. 50s on Friday, warming up to near 70 by Sunday, but rain chances increase as we head into Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe even on Thursday as well. But for the most part, it is going to be a lot colder than what we have seen. But not expecting a freeze here. However, as we head towards Friday and Saturday, we could see a freeze as well in southern Arkansas, although less likely than in central and north. So, a lot to go over, a lot to work out in the coming days. Of course, we are going to track it all weekend long and into next week. If our trend does continue, we will have a map out on Saturday or a Sunday, right here on your source for all things Arkansas weather.